Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Luna. And I'm Kiko. Today, we are keeping things very relaxed, which is good because Mandarin can be a lot. I know that feeling of walking into a room on a Monday morning, seeing a native speaker, and realizing I have no idea how to even start a casual conversation. It's a common hurdle, but you don't need to be fluent to break the ice. You just need one reliable question. What did you do on the weekend? In Mandarin, that looks like this. 你周末做了什么? Let's try it together. 你周末做了什么? 你周末做了什么? Mastering this one phrase gives you a way to initiate a conversation. Even if you aren't ready for a long debate yet, you've successfully moved from being a silent observer to a participant. Asking the question is one thing, but I'm always worried about what happens when they ask me the same thing back. That's where the structure helps you. In English, we often change the shape of a word depending on the speaker or time. In Mandarin, words stay the same. Just snap them together like blocks. First is 我, meaning I. If you stayed in, add 在家休息. 我在家休息. To change the action, swap the block for 看电影. 我看电影. It's a relief to see that the words don't shift around. Once I know the action, I just drop it into that second slot. Exactly. When you treat vocabulary as interchangeable pieces, it lowers the pressure. You have a reliable system for expressing what you actually did. You can use this for any activity. Eating with friends is 和朋友吃饭. Going shopping is 去购物. Those sound much more active than my weekend. I'll stick to the staying home block for now. That works too. Now, let's add one more detail to make the sentence more specific, the day it happened. Time words simply snap onto the front of your sentence. For Saturday, add 星期六 to the beginning. 星期六,我在家休息. For Sunday, flip that first block to 星期天 and swap the action. 星期天,我看电影. On Sunday, I watched a movie. Perfect. This three-part order, time, subject, then action, gives you a clear map to follow. It lets you build complete, specific sentences without having to worry about complex word changes or confusing grammar rules. Let's put it to the test, Kiko. 你周末做了什么? Okay, time first. 星期天, then me, 我, then the movie, 看电影. And there it is. 星期天,我看电影. You did it. You just shared a real memory using a clear, natural structure. It feels much more manageable when I can visualize where the words go. That's the key. The more you say these sentences out loud, the more that rhythm becomes second nature. Small, manageable pieces are what bridge the gap between being nervous and being understood. Now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, 你周末做了什么? We can't wait to read them. See you next time. Bye-bye.